Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Nissan Kicks engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. You'll be surprised how quickly you can complete this job, typically in about 5 to 10 minutes, saving you both time and money. First, safely open your Nissan Kicks hood and secure it with the prop rod. Next, locate the engine air filter box, which is typically a large black plastic housing situated near your car's battery. You will see 2 or 3 metal clips around the perimeter. Simply unlatch these to prepare for access. With the clips released, gently lift the airbox cover. It might not detach completely, which is normal. Now, carefully pull out the old, often dirty, rectangular air filter. Take your new filter and insert it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and the rubber seal is properly seated around the edges. Pay attention to any airflow arrows on the filter, ensuring they point towards the engine. Once the new filter is in place, lower the airbox cover and firmly re-engage all the metal clips until they snap securely. That's it. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter. Remember to replace it annually or every 15,000 miles for optimal engine health and to maintain excellent air quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.